As we go through this difficult time of another lockdown, don't feel alone. If you feel isolated, if you need practical support or somebody to talk to, please remember Community Call is there for you. If you need, for example, shopping, doing groceries or fuel, if you need somebody to bring you to a medical appointment, if you need hot meals delivered to your house, if you need prescriptions collected for you, or if you just need somebody to talk to, please press the link on communitycall.gov.ie. That's here, and you will get there all of the contacts of the various services available in your local authority area. If you need information on activities such as virtual cookery classes or how to get library books delivered, that too is available. Keep safe, keep connected.